is up, my no, that's too. Okay. Sorry, guys. What is up, my McChickens? It's Jazzy McDonald here today, and today we have a very special video. Not really. It's just me cleaning my desk some more. But first of all, I wanted to show you how my lighting is set up because I'm using my lamp. Sorry, it's bright. But like, look at it. It's like an angle thing, so I had to angle it weird because it's supposed to be a lamp. But yeah, I was organizing my desk. So welcome back, my McChickens, and if you're new, welcome, because yeah, just welcome. Anyway, so I have some very special videos coming up soon. They're very special cooking videos coming up. They'll probably be more around Christmas-ish. Give it about 2 more days at least before I post them. I might post them later than that. I had to use my scissors. But, yeah, I don't know for sure. So, yeah, that's it for today's talking about that. So let's get actually into the video. So, first of all, I had to empty 2 drawers. There's 3, but I only did 2 for now. I could do the 3rd one later. Empty. The 2nd one's empty, as you can imagine. And as you guys know, I have these things. So I'm gonna put stuff in it first before I put it back in there. I've got my hair tie. I'm gonna put my hair tie in there. I'm gonna put this. I have this pink thing as well. I'm gonna put my little guava candy in there. Yes, I have a little snack thing in here for my snacks because sometimes doing school makes me hungry. Some days school gets just so stressful that it has to make you hungry. So yeah. And then I have an old card, an old credit card. I'm not going to give you guys any information. It's an old card that I put in there. It doesn't have, I mean, you guys couldn't use it anyway, but because it's expired. But anyway, I'm still gonna hide the information from you guys, obviously. If you don't hide information like that, I don't understand why not. I changed my mind. I'm gonna take those 2 things out, and I'm gonna put this detailing kit for your phone. I'm gonna put it in there first, and then I will put that in there, the other stuff in there. Let me cut this thing off. Give me a second. Okay, so I'm going to put that in there first. Is there something already done? Oh, I got that little. And then I'll put the hair tie and the credit card in there. Then I have this lipstick from my videos. Why am I holding my scissors like that? Please don't hide to hold your scissors like that. I'm going to put my lipstick in there. I don't know why I have the lipstick there, but... And then we're going to put this other hair tie, and this hair tie has a binder clip with it. It's not supposed to be there, but I put it on the thing because to hold my binder clip. I'm going to put this brush, which also goes to the detailing kit. I'm going to put it in there because I don't put it in the detailing kit because I use it for lots of different things. And then I have this clear thing, a clear, you guys can't see it, I don't think, but it's a clear thing that, I don't remember what it came for, but I can use clear things for different things. They're good for dry erase if you need them, so I do keep that. I had this with one of my, things. This is like, it's just a little piece of paper that I could have thrown away, but why not just use it as a bookmark? But that's not going in there. And then I have this from my actual, what is it called? My actual whiteboard, that's going to go in there. And then I have this, like, this also goes to the detailing kit, but I use it for, like, I do use it for cleaning my phone, so I put that in there. And I think that's it for this small one, so this is how it looks. By the way, guys, it's the 13th. It's my sister's birthday, so I might make it a video on that. If you guys would like my sister's video. I mean, my sister's birthday video, my sister's video. But if not, we don't have to do that. Sorry, guys, for that loud bang. Now, I'm going to put my food on this, in the shelf thing right there, and then I'm going to put this right here. Oops, scissors, where did you go? There you are. And then, ow, get off my hair. So, yeah. And then, I'm going to use this long one. This long one right here. And I'm going to take out some junk of it. And so I can show you guys me organizing it. So it's already being organized because that is illegal for it to already be organized. So anyway, I've got, it's empty, of course, because I wanted to show you guys me having it empty. It also looks different color on the camera. This is not the color it is. It's blue, but like, it's more like a teal color. So I'm going to put this pen. Oops, might want to close the pen. How do you close this pen? Is this pen broken? Okay, so I think I got a broken pen. That's also because it is a pencil. It's just a pencil, guys. And I'm going to put that in there. Some lead to that pencil. I'm going to wait. And then I've got 2 more of those pencils to go in there. Then I'm actually going to put the lid in there now. And then I have 2, like, paint brushes. Where did my Advil just go? Oh, right there. Then I'm going to put some Advil in there. And then I'm going to put the bookmark thing in there, but I'm going to put that before the Advil, actually. For everything, actually. And then I have this medicine I'm going to put in there. My desk is also in my room, so this like, I also put my stuff in there, such as my medicine. I'm going to put my other medicine in there. I have 2 things of scissors, so I'm going to put 1 pair of scissors in here, so if I'm lost the other one, that I have spare. Because not all my pencils and pens are going in this. This is just like in the drawer where I don't always go into. But if I need an extra pencil or whatever, I have it there. So, sorry guys. And then I have a ton of pencils right here, so pens right here. So I'm going to put some, okay, there's 2 pencils in there. I'm going to put the red pencil right there too. And I'm going to put a 3rd pencil there. And then I'm going to put a pencil in the yellow bucket. I mean the bucket thing. I'm going to keep my Sharpie out. Come on, Sharpie. There you go. I'm gonna keep my Sharpie and my pencil out in my thing. I'm gonna keep these highlighter things out because they're highlighters. And then I'm going to put this highlighter in the bucket thing. I'm gonna put this pen in there. I'm gonna put this pencil, keep that out. I'm gonna keep this, I'm gonna put this in that thing as well. I'm going to put my little necklace in there. And voila. Let me see if anything else is going on. Oh. My stylus pen will also go in there. And this is what it looks like afterwards. I'm going to put it in the drawer nice and neatly. That's my laser pointer. I'm sorry if I just blinded you guys, because I just blinded myself doing that. Receipts. But those aren't going to go in there. Those are just going to go somewhere else. Another receipt. Oh, I need my scissors again. Got them. Ooh. Okay. This sucker, I'm going to put this in the snack thing, but I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to put this sucker in there. Guess I'm going to have this much stuff. There we go. And then I have this thing. It's from Cracker Barrel. It's like a toothpick thingy that it had in the burger, but I thought it was really cute, so I decided to keep it. And then again, I have, oh man, I need another thing of scissors again. Sorry, guys. Don't try to cut my fingers off. So, yeah, I'm doing another long one. I have another small one left, but I don't think I need anything in this long one right now. So that long one's empty, but it's going to go in the second drawer. Oop, the second drawer wasn't fully empty. I didn't think it was. Okay, so I do have a thing. There's these toothpick thingies. Oh, actual toothpicks are going to go in there. Those are like, I had to use them for science once, so I don't know if I'll have to use them again. And I'm going to put that in there. So that's all it's going to be in there for now. I might switch it up, but I don't need anything in there right now. I have everything in there that I need right now. And yeah, so these two things are going to go back up for now because I'm not using them too right now. So yeah, and then, so then I have, this doesn't actually have gum in it. These have rubber bands in them. These are going to go in the first drawer because I'm not able to store rubber bands right now. My rubber band thing broke, so I'm storing them in this gum container. And they're just going to go in my drawer nicely and neatly. Excuse you, Jasmine. And then I have, this one actually does store gum in it. I do not know what my mouth just said there. Then this is going to go in the second drawer. It's something special. I'm not going to show you guys what it is. It's special to me, not you guys. So, don't think you guys really want to see it anyway. I think that's it for this video, but that's because I want to give you guys more for a video. So I haven't gotten a new video yet. I'm gonna do a part 2 or whatever. So yeah, that's it for this video right now. And I will show you guys the contents in it of, like, I think I'm going to do a part 2, and that's going to be the last part of this thing. But I'm going to, do the part 2. And, then I will show you guys the reveal, because obviously it's not done yet. So yeah, that's it for today's Give me a second, guys. I'm sorry. That is it for today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Ooh. Sorry, guys. And, yeah, I think I might do this, post the second part today as well. But I also might not, depending. But I will film it today. So I will be wearing a jacket and stuff, you know? So, yeah. Bye-bye, guys.